Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and let's just get started with the video. A short disclaimer before we start the video. This video was shot way before in 2019 and I never got the time or the chance to edit and upload it. Well, the lockdown and the current situation got me searching in my old hard drives, and let's just say I found a treasure. So, as the title reads, today I'm going to take you to the Mahadev Temple at Tambdi Surla. Our destination for today is 64 kilometers from where I stay, and it takes around 1 hour 45 minutes according to Google. So as we take this turn from the main highway, it's 23 kilometers of pure forest area, greenery all around, and for the most part empty roads. Don't worry, this channel is all about experience and being a part of the journey. So I won't skip this 23 kilometers and will make y'all feel like y'all are coming along with me. A really good thing about this place is that if you're a first time visitor here, the Google Maps will lead you to your destination very precisely. The temple is at the foot of Amoghhh, which connects Goa to the state of Karnataka. And with that, 23 kilometers just passed by, and we are here at the destination of the Mahadeva Temple at Tambdi Surla. Apart from the nature and the temple, you'll find some monkeys hopping here and there. The temple is located inside the area of Bhagwan Mahaveer National Park. The river Surla flows by the temple. The location is so pristine that you will love to visit the temple not once but several times. The place is very quiet. You can only hear the sound of the stream and the birds chirping when you are in the temple premises. Placed on the lap of nature, surrounded by hills, and on one side a beautiful stream flowing, surely God resides here, away from the hustle and the busy life in the cities. The location is so divine that your first step in the temple premises takes you back in the time when it was built. Noted as the oldest temple in Goa is a temple of Lord Shiva built in the 12th century. This temple is a treat to your eyes because of its unique style of construction. It is the only monument of the Kadamba Yadava architecture. Kadamba dynasty was ruling during the time when this temple was constructed. This temple is built from a rock called basalt, which was carried across the mountains from the Deccan plateau and carved by the craftsmen. The festival of Mahashivratri is celebrated by the local people residing in the surrounding villages. This place definitely needs your attention if you want some peace of mind. So after the visit to this beautiful temple, we set back our journey home. While going towards the temple, I had seen this footbridge and somehow it attracted me towards it. And I wanted to check it out from a bit closer. And if y'all know me, I do like to take the detours. And while going back, we took a different route than what we usually do. And let's just say it was the right decision. To be honest with you, this was the route which I had never taken before. Also, I got to take my bike on the ferry for the very first time, and the experience was, well, y'all will check it out soon. So if y'all are not from Goa, or if y'all are Goan but do not know this, ferry rides for two-wheelers is free. And it's a very good way to save on fuel. So we took the Adpai to Rase ferry, and it's a ferry ride for 23 minutes. By the way, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing towards my channel. And it's the start of July of 2020 and I've already crossed 300 subscribers. Rolling now to a short time lapse of the ride. The only downside I would say of taking a ferry in Goa is this: getting in and out of one, and the traffic you have to deal with later. But as I said before, taking a ferry would save you on fuel, and also if you have been riding or driving for the whole day and if you have a chance to take a ferry, you would get some time to rest and still be heading towards your destination. Isn't that a win-win situation? So this time it's a challenge for you guys. If by the end of July 2020 my channel hits 500 subscribers, I would do a Q&A session. Basically, you guys would ask me questions about myself, or say maybe my bike, or my favorite places, my favorite food, or which sports I play, or something like that, and I would answer them in a video. So let's work together and make this happen. Remember, by the end of July 2020, 500 subscribers or more. And if y'all made it this far for whatsoever reason, be sure to hit that like button. And these are the comments from the previous video in which I went to take a delivery of a brand new motorcycle. If y'all have not checked it out yet, make sure to check it out after this video. Also, comment on this video and get it to be featured in my next video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. And thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you next week.